today we're gonna study the letter O. The letter O makes 6 different sounds, not 5 anymore. So there are some rules and there are some exemptions from the rules which we have to memorize as well. So number 1, I always start with the same letter as the letter name. So if you see the magic E, the letter O gonna make sound O. Nose. Magic E, that's why it's nose. The other rule, if the letter O is the last one, there are no other letters, it also makes sound O. No, toe, O. I'm sorry. No, up, see, and go. Let's do this way. So now the last letter